Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce. Today I'm gonna be starting a new series of videos. I will be making videos mostly about Christmas, the holidays, and things that you can do at home, traditions, and also with the children. And in today's video, we're gonna be talking about some of the kids crafts that I found on the dollar store here in Canada, which is called Dollarama. There is also a Dollar Tree store over here, but most people in Canada go to this Dollarama store, and there are a lot of things, cute things to do with the kids. And in some of the next videos through the month, I'm gonna be showing you some of the things that I'm going to be making with the kids with some of these things. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, I am doing some gifts for the grandparents and the aunties from my children, and I'm gonna be using these canvas. These canvas are really good to make some nice gifts for the family, and this is called the artist canvas, and it's only $2. This one is size 9 by 12 inches. This is in a square shape, and this one is $2.50 because it's a little bit bigger. This is 12 by 12, and I got a few of those because I'm planning to give similar gifts to the family with this, and this is going to be a gift made by my children. I also got these two, kind of similar to the canvas, but these ones are made of wood, so you can do some crafts with this as well. So I'm gonna see which one works better for the gifts that I want to do with my kids. Okay, I got these buttons. These are Christmas color, and they are really great for an activity that I'm going to be showing you in some of my next videos. Be ready for that. And these are great because they're the Christmas colors, red, green, and white, and also they are in different sizes, so this will be working really good. I also found this one. I'm not sure if the kids are going to be doing this one. I might be doing it, but this one is a snowflake made of wood, and you can decorate it as you want. This is $4, and I found this stencil wheel, and this has a really nice decorations. I'm planning to use this one with this and see how it turns out. This one has different signs, and I got another one which has words on it. Okay, so I have two different stencil wheels, and these were $1.25. The wood snowflake was in $4. Everything is in Canadian dollars, okay? Keep in mind that. I also found these wonderful things. I'm not sure how they are, but I saw it in a picture from a friend, and she got her toddler doing this, and I thought that it was great because she was really focused on this activity. So I'm thinking in giving it one to my preschooler, to my daughter, and one to my toddler. And this is $1.25. I got 3 of them. Well, actually 4 of them. I got 2 designs of Santa. See, this is the design. It's really nice and very colorful, and because my toddler is working a lot with the colors right now, I think this is a perfect activity for them to do. And my daughter is also working with identifying some shapes. This will be working with shapes, counting, and some gross motor skills. This one is the one that is a Christmas tree, and this one is made of a snowman. I also I didn't have a lot of cookie cutters, so I found these ones. They were $1.50 each set of 3, This one is a gingerbread man, a snowflake, and a Christmas tree. And then you also have the Santa, candy cane, and Rudolph the reindeer. You can also use them, I guess, for Play-Doh or kinetic design. So I think these will be really great for the season. I found this one and I think that it's going to be really cute. This is a snowman decoration for a door. So you can see how it will look here, but it's really cute. I don't know what you think, but it's the hat, the eyes, the nose, everything here for the snowman. And it's great because all the doors in this house are white, so it's really amazing. I can't wait to put it on. This one was $3.50. I found this game that I've seen it from several friends, but I think that they got it in a different store because this is a different design. I don't know if they have them in different designs. This was only $4 in the dollar store. It's a reindeer toast game, and I think that the kids will love this because it's just to throw the rings. So it will be really fun to play with them, just spend a good time with them. This was only $4. Also, I found these mini clothespins and I found them really cute because they are small, but they have the cord and they are like Christmas lights. My daughter is being all into the Christmas lights, so I think that she will enjoy a lot of doing this and she will improve her motor skills with this activity. This was only $1.25 and I got a bunch of small pom-poms, like mini pom-poms. I got different colors. I got all these colors, and these might not be all in the Christmas colors, but I'm thinking in doing some other activities with this. So I got blue, pink, red, green, purple, white and black, and different types of oranges. And these will work great with another activity that I will be adding in some of the Christmas videos. And also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram so you can see some of the pictures of the activities that I'm doing with the children every day. I try to post a story about the activities that I do with them, and so you can have an idea of what other things that you can do with the kids. My daughter is being really excited about the puzzles and some of the maze games, so I got her this one is a Christmas activity book. A lot of nice activities for the kids, like for example, let me show you. In this activity you have to add a step for which was the first activity in order to make some cookies, so they have to think what comes first. Then on this one she needs to go in the alphabetic order so she can figure it out what it is. Also there are different other games that are similar to the maze, and these ones are the kind of games that she's enjoying a lot right now. She's 4.5 years old and she already finished her 100 pieces puzzle, and she's very into it and very excited about that. So I got her this because I know she will enjoy it, and this one was only $3 Canadian. Also got these mini tree decorations because I am thinking in an activity already for the kids with these ones. And I also got these ones. These are really cute. These are only in red and gold, and these, I'm not sure how am I gonna use this yet, but I think that they will be very useful for Christmas activity as well. Also, I got these tiny bells, and these were $1.50, and these bells were $2, and these ones were $1.25, and these ones were $1.50. I also got these village accessories because I really thought that they were really cute. If I don't use them for anything related to Christmas, I think that I'm gonna keep them, because for any craft in the future where you build like a city with the kids, I think they will be working really great. They have the lights, they have the Christmas or the pine trees, and this little door. So I think it's really cute. It was only $3. They had a lot of figurines for the birth of Jesus and all of that. I don't think that it's worth it at this stage of my family right now to buy all of those, because they are still very small, especially my toddler, and I don't want them to break them. I do have one made of wood that I love, so I think that's enough for now. And I also got these ribbon. I already have in mind what I'm gonna do with this one, and I think that's pretty much it. I didn't want it to spend a lot. I think this will be more than enough to keep them entertained some of the days. And I usually like to do crafts that are useful, not only just for fun, but also do something with them. So with some of the canvas, I'm going to do gifts, and I'm gonna save them for the family, and I hope that they really like them. Okay, my friends, so this is it. This is all for today's video. I hope that you like them, and please don't forget to click on the like button and the subscribe button, and be ready for the next Christmas videos that I'm going to be posting during these days of December. Also, if you have any friends that are a mama like me, just share this video with them. You can share them in any social media, or you can also follow me on Instagram. Like I said, I post there a lot of nice phrases for motherhood, parenting, homeschooling, and entrepreneurship as well. Okay? So see you the next time. Bye bye.